We are in Stoney Creek at Mohawk College. We're at the campus for skilled trades and apprenticeship. They're having an open house. It is coming up this Thursday, April the 11th from 5 to 7. And right now I'm being joined by Henry. And Henry, explain to me, in this lab, what these students are learning.
What these students are learning at the moment is it's our instrumentation electrical controls lab. And in this lab, we have currently instrumentation apprentices, and part of their job is monitoring the process, monitoring the equipment, calibrating it, maintaining it. Various industries they're from is either going to be in water treatment facilities, our steel mills, hydroelectric generation, and also with pulp and paper.
I feel like it's a very specific trade to learn.
This trade is, it's red seal trade, so this one is very involved in what you can see with the students, what they're doing. With it, they're able to, really they're the backbones of the industry in a silent way.
So when you are a student here, do you start this in first year, or do you have to start somewhere else and then kind of work your way into this type of program?
Our students start right from level 1, they get a job as an apprentice, and then from there they basically go to school, work for a year, come back to school, work, and it's over a 5-year period.
What do you think the hands-on experience, how do you think it benefits them?
Oh, 100% it's important for them. Having that tactile experience is really the key aspect to it. What we like doing is getting our industry partners involved, doing what works for them, as well as what will happen for them moving forward, being involved with it.
That's amazing. You guys must have your phone ringing off the hook.
Absolutely.
You got students, we need students,
we need them.
workers.
Come on in. So
that's amazing.
It's really good.
Well, thanks for letting us come into your lab today.
Oh, you're welcome.
Of course, the open house at this campus is happening on April 11th from 5 to 7, but we've got open houses running from the 6th to the 11th, all the campuses. Stay tuned, we've got more details on that, and there's much more coming up on Morning Live. Back here at Mohawk College, they've got open houses running from this Saturday till next Thursday. The Fennel campus is this Saturday, then they've got the Center for Aviation, that's happening on the 9th. The Institute for Applied Sciences, that's happening on the 10th. And then this campus, the Stoney Creek campus that we are at for skilled trades and apprenticeship, that's happening on Thursday, April 11th from 5 to 7 p.m. I'm now being joined by Gio, and there seems to be a lot of compression, some hissing noises I'm hearing back here. What are we in? What are we doing?
We are in our hydraulic shop here, part of our manufacturing engineering technician program. It's our post-secondary program. A great program, a program I graduated from about 20 years ago.
Wow, look at you coming back to where it all started.
Full circle. You always go back to your roots, that's for sure.
That's amazing. Okay, so what kind of jobs are we talking about here?
So we are currently in our hydraulic shop, and these gentlemen here are working on a hydraulic system with some basic cylinders, some pressure, some valving, and they're seeing how that cylinder moves in and out with the pressure compensating system.
Okay. So who are these guys working for when they graduate?
So when they graduate, they can go anywhere in industry within manufacturing. So we've got the local union, we've got all the independent little companies around town, we've got the big steel companies as well, which is a big part of the program.
Yeah, that's Hamilton for you too, right?
Just speaks pure Hamilton.
Yeah.
So which is a great thing here. And we have a co-op that is a part of our program as well.
That's
and
cool.
A lot of the students engage and get their experience within industry within that co-op program.
Okay, so now when they first come in here at year 1,
yes,
can they start kind of hands-on?
100%.
Yeah?
So the day they start with the hands-on in multiple different labs throughout the whole campus.
That's super cool.
Millwrights also work on various types of systems, so electrical, hydraulics, pneumatics, all the general mechanical stuffs.
And they learn all of that?
They have to.
Wow, how long is the program?
So it's a 2-year program with
Okay.
the option of a co-op, which takes it into 3 years. The students get the experience of 14 months within that actual 3 years.
Now you recommend that, don't you?
100%.
Because that's where they gain the real life experience, like dealing with people.
Dealing with people, dealing with different equipment, machinery within industry. So it's just a great thing.
That's awesome.
And it is a paid co-op as well, so.
Oh, well, even better. All right, well, we are at the Stoney Creek campus for skilled trades and apprenticeship. Open house again is Thursday, April 11th from 5 to 7. And of course, you can get all the website on Mohawk College. You can get all the information on the website at Mohawk College. So don't forget to check that out. Lots going on with these students today. More to come. For now, back inside the studio. Our tour at Mohawk continues, and this is so cool. They actually have a program for elevator repair people, so you can get out into the industry and learn how to fix elevators and escalators. Now, I'm here with Alan, and you are the coordinator.
I am the program coordinator.
And you've got students that are really taking firsthand knowledge from training in here, which is so cool, the fact that you guys have actual elevators and an escalator.
And 4 of the elevators run, and the escalator actually runs.
That's amazing. I mean, it's really hands-on learning experience. You've got a couple of students back here.
Yep, they're currently troubleshooting a problem I put in an elevator.
Yeah, and they have to fix it.
And the problems are similar to what they'd find when they actually get out in the field. So I put a problem in, and they have to try and find out and fix it.
Okay, so what's this program actually called?
Mechanical Technician Elevating Devices, and it is designed to meet the same curriculum that the elevating devices apprentices take.
Wow, that is so neat. So they've got hands-on learning experience. Now, when they first start here, year 1, they come in, classroom setting, hands-on setting right away?
The first semester is a fair bit of theory.
Yeah.
Although the electrical course they do right away, they get into building circuits and taking voltage measurements.
Wow.
In this room, they start more in second semester.
Where'd they go? Oh, they went up there.
They went up on top of the elevator.
Oh, because they're trying to fix the problem.
They're trying to fix the problem, but they walked away without a tool that they need.
Uh-oh. How do you know that? Are you holding it?
Because I have it in my hand, and they didn't ask.
That is classic. Can't fix the problem if you can't find the tool, I suppose.
Would you like this?
Yes, please, sir.
There you go.
Do you have the wedge as well? Or?
No, the wedge is still in the
See, now
drawer.
that is hands-on learning. Where's my tool?
Where's my tool? I can't find it.
All right, well, thanks for having us in here. This is such a cool program, and I'm assuming because I've heard there is a shortage of mechanics that can actually fix these devices.
There is a shortage, and it's going to get worse.
And these guys are going to get jobs when they get out of school.
They are going to get jobs, and it will likely be a job for life.
Wow.
And it is one of the highest paid trade in North America.
Highest paid trade in North America. Wow. That's pretty remarkable. Okay, well, we've got open houses running on all the Mohawk campuses from this Saturday, April 6th, starting off at the Fennel campus and ending here on Thursday, April 11th at the campus that we are at now in Stoney Creek, the Skilled Trades and Apprenticeship Program from 5 to 7 p.m. Thanks so much, Alan. I'm glad I didn't get stuck in the elevator.
I could have got you out.
Excellent. We've made it to our last stop here at Mohawk College. We're in construction techniques. I'm being joined by Dan, and you've got some really cool stuff to show us to really display what the students learn while they're in the program. Let's start with the VR. What's going on over there?
Well, the students, when they build their projects, may not understand the orthographic drawings that go on with the project. So we've created a VR experience that the students can enter into this lab and see a finished project before they even begin to build.
That is so neat. And they can actually move stuff around. Yep. They can build while in the VR experience.
Absolutely. A lot of my students learn by visuals.
Yeah.
So this really helps to get them inside of this model, and they have a full understanding before they start to build what the project is going to look like.
That is so cool. I mean, kids are all about VR these days.
Yeah.
Like, it really makes sense.
So are adults.
Yeah. I guess, but it really makes sense to adapt it to their learning.
Yeah.
Now, these are mini houses that you guys are building.
That's correct. So the model that we saw in VR, this is what it would look like, or what it does look like. So we've created what I call the neighborhood, where our students have 6 of these mini houses being built.
That's cool.
And this shop is outside, and we get all conditions. This was recent. And the students absolutely love it. They
Do
love to
they?
be outside, yes.
Really, they would prefer to be, well, I guess it's hands-on, right? They're doing what they love to do, or they wouldn't be here.
And they earn the 20-degree days.
Yeah,
And
I guess.
they have it's funny, in the fall, I don't get a lot of comments of like, oh, what a nice day. But in the spring, I 100% do.
Yeah,
And
they
what
really,
a beautiful day, because they lived through the winter.
yeah, they really
outside.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
And they do everything, so it's not just the wood, everything
Yeah.
to do with,
100%. In the fall semester, they pour a footing and a foundation.
okay.
And when they come back in the winter semester, we do the framing. And that's important because I want them to frame on their concrete. Because if the concrete's not level, they can only blame themselves. And they have to learn how to fix it.
Well, I was just about to say.
Very real life.
That was my next
Concrete's
question.
never perfect.
No, but
Yeah.
then you have to learn how to level it properly.
That's right.
Wow. Okay, so for our viewers, if they want to actually kind of see how this
Sure.
program takes shape, I know you've got a way for us to do that.
Oh yeah, if you want to see this project, this would be the drawing our students would get.
That's so
And
neat.
to the average person, this doesn't make a lot of sense. So I've incorporated this QR code, and I'll make it big for the viewers. If they scan this at home, they get access to a 3D model on their phone or their device, and they can see the project that we're building in the Construction Techniques program.
Wow, that's really, really neat. I love how it's still a lot of hands-on outside, getting dirty, but then in the same breath, you're using a ton of technology
Yeah.
to make the learning easier.
And fun.
And more fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, more at their level.
Yeah.
Because VR, yeah, you're right, it's fun for everybody.
For sure.
I like it too. Thanks, Dan, for
Yeah.
having us in here. There is an open house that's happening next Thursday, April 11th from 5 to 7 on the Stoney Creek campus. And we've got the Fennel campus on the 6th of April, the Center for Aviation, that's happening on the 9th. And the Institute for Applied Health Sciences happening Wednesday, April 10th. So you can go to the website, check out all the details, and we will have all the details up on our website at chch.com.